Hi Dress-Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Christmas Pochacco from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw this cute dog, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with an oval. And then I'm going to come right about here with a circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. And then I'm going to come right across, nice and wide, so say about right here, and draw another oval. And same thing with the highlight and shade it in. There. So now these two eyes in, I'm going to come in between the eyes, so about right here in the center. And I'm just going to draw this kind of ovalish circle. And then, you know what, let's put a highlight as well. And shade it all in. There. And then I'm just going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then now to draw the face. So to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to come to the center of my eye and I'm going to come out. So approximately here, I'm going to come out to say about this much. Same thing on the other side, approximately this much. And with those 2 points right about here, I'm going to start the cheeks. So I'm going to start a curve and a curve on this side. So then we're just going to bring this curve down to say about right here approximately. I'm just going to connect it with a curve to about right here. On both sides. So now that we're at the bottom part, I'm going to go here and go a little bit straighter. Just going to go up a little bit. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw another curve. And then, but we're going to curve in and nice and high. So let's say about right here. So same thing here. Now we're going to curve up and in. There, it's about the same level. About right there. So now that we're at the same level, let's draw our Santa's hat. So I'm just going to go across right here and connect this. Oh, so cute, right? And then let's draw our Santa's hat. And I'm just going to wobble a little bit. Wobble a little bit. And as I wobble, I'm coming in. And let's connect this once again with a curve. Then let's go up to finish the hat. So we're just going to curve this up to say about right here. And then come right about here and just wobble a little wave in here. And then right in here, we're going to draw a big circle to finish it off. There. And then of course we need Pochacco's ears, right? So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just go up, round off the tip, and bring it right back in. And I'll just go ahead and shade this in real quick. There. And then the other ear, let's just have it pop out about right here as well. So say about right here. Approximately the same, hopefully. And bring it in. That's about the same, right? Hopefully. And then shade it all in as well. There, so now I have the 2 ears in. Let's go ahead and draw the body. So let's come say about right here underneath the eye. Same thing on this side. We're just going to draw a curve coming down for a simple Christmas outfit. So let's say about right there, and then once again let's connect it just like the Santa's hat with a curve. Then we're going to pop this part out and wobble. And connect. There. And then we're going to find the center. So come down to say about right here, just skip a little bit of space. And right about here, I'm just going to draw this very widened out V right in the center. And then bring a straight line down. Say about right there. Continuing this curve. And then just go ahead and connect it. And same thing on the other side. There. So the feet in, and then now let's draw the arms. So come right back here, and we're just going to come down, and I will stop right here because I need to pop this part out. And then a little hand to just draw a curve. So same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this across so I know where to end. About right there, pop it out. And the hands on both sides. So then with that, let's go ahead and decorate it with this really cute bow. So right in the center area, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this oval, and we're going to draw 2 loops. So I'm not going to go past the face so I don't have to erase, but you definitely can. Inside, and then 2 of these tail. And same thing here. There. And so let's see here. That is pretty much it, except I need to put a heart somewhere, right? I almost forgot. Let's put one right about here to make this my Draw So Cute Christmas Pochacco from Sanrio. I really hope you love this drawing and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.